I'm so excited for tonight. Oh yeah, I love hosting parties, especially 4th of July parties. Whoa, it looks great in here. You guys did an amazing job. Thanks, I really like it too. Everything looks so festive. Oh, we still need to set out the fruit. Yeah, I'm glad you said that. Here, I can help with the strawberries if you want. Yeah, that'd be great. Thank you, Izzy. No problem, Emily. Ah! Oh no. Ah! Got it. Nice catch. Thank you. Sorry about that. It's okay. Do you need any help? Actually, yes. Could you go put this outside on the table? Sure. There we go. Emily, what time did you say the guests come today? I forgot what you said earlier. About 2:45. Okay, well, it's already 3:15. That's weird. Yeah, you did invite them, right? We might have a slight issue there. See, I was so busy with everything else, it just totally slipped my mind. Oops. Well, at least we can still have a party with the family. Yeah, that'll be fun. That's awesome. Great job, Izzy. Really, that's great. That's awesome. I love this. It's so much fun. I can't wait to get started. It made my day. It's so crazy. So happy. Yeah, and when Wendy and Hazel told us that they can't they're awesome. But they have... Guys, look, the fireworks are starting. Ooh, pretty. This is beautiful. Yeah. Sorry I forgot to invite everybody. Oh, it's fine, Emily. Oh, you guys are the best.